I am the performance built out of sight. I begin where no one is watching, far from the roar of the crowd. I am made of thousands of defining moments. Every adjustment, every formula refined, every change made better than the last, and every person behind it. I'm the performance that everyone makes possible. Our performance is built out of sight, so our partners can unleash it on the track.